Hello, friends. So I'm back after a short period that I had to be doing other things. Uh, in this demo, I have a program called pdemo.pas. It's a Pascal demo. If you remember my last video for basic, I was doing a history of basic on how you do some basic things, like math and logical operations and loops and sorting and all that. So I decided to do the same example, but in Pascal. It's not in any ways a limitation of all the only few things you can do in Pascal. And in fact, this is just a little taste of what you can do in Pascal because it is a very powerful programming language. As you know, Pascal, it's already about 50 years old at least, and it has still to this day. There are many ways to do Pascal. There's free Pascal. There's Delphi. There's Delphi. There's I mean, Pascal is out there and very strong. This is Turbo Pascal. I usually when I do my demos, I do them in an old programming language because I'm not doing a Windows environment. I'm not doing a Mac environment. It's just a little sample of what you can do in Pascal. So as you can see here, I'm doing comments. There's two ways of doing comments in Pascal. You can do the brackets like I do here, or you can do the parentheses and asterisk, which is a multi-line comment. So here my comment is basically my name, and then what the program will do. And we start with our program name, program p demo. That's all it does. I have a use of CRT because I use the screen. Basically, I'm going to clear the screen. That's all it does. Then I have to do a type command of my array. And the reason for that is so I can use it later in one of my declarations in my variables. As any other Pascal program, you start with all the procedures first, and then the main program at the end. The first procedure is called intro, and all it does is it clears the screen and it writes into the screen what the program does. I'm going to write into the screen pdemo pass, a demonstration of basic features of Pascal, other things and loops and so on. It's basically that's all it does. The second procedure is called my math. And all it does is I ask for two values, the value of x and y, and I put them into a and b. And then I make an addition of a plus b, put them into c, and I write a plus b equals c. That's all it does. That doesn't, like I said, doesn't matter if I'm using millions or billions of values. It works the same, right? So this is just a plus b. Um, then a little demonstration of built-in functions, absolute value, square root, sine, tangent, and logarithmic. And then as you can see, I put in SQR49, but I'm actually asking for SQRT. It's because I'm doing the square root. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and change it. SQRT. I'm going to put the T in here. And that way it will look the same. And then the logarithmic of 5. So that's what it'll do. Yeah. So that's my procedure for functions. Procedure for logic. Here's where I ask. I have a variable declaration inside my procedure, a local variable called age. I ask for the age, and it's very simple. I ask if age is under 18, too young to drive. If it's over 18, great, you can go ahead and buy a car now. The only purpose of this is to demonstrate you can do logical operations. That's it. It's less than. You can use greater than, equal to, etc. Right? And I can do ands and ors and all that. I'm not going to get into that, but yeah, you can. And then here's my arrays, but I call B sort. It's a bubble sort, not the fastest sort in the world, but it'll work. I declare I, J, and K. MA is here as my array. Remember, I did a type of my array of 1 to 25. And so what I'm going to do is I get random numbers, I assign them, I print them. Then this is my for loop, and I'm going to write the numbers on the screen. It's not going to do anything else. Then I do my sort. Here's my for I 1 to 24. Then from I 1 to 25. Again, it's a bubble sort, and my swapping if it's required. And then I do a couple of empty lines, and then I print out the actual sorted array. So you're going to see on the screen an array and then another array, but sorted in ascending order. And then here's my main program, begin. I put my intro, my math, functions, logic, sort, and then press any key, repeat until key press. So that's all. It's a very simple program, very short. I'm going to go ahead and activate my mouse, and here it is, my mouse. So I'm going to click run, and there is PDEMO pass. It's a demonstration of basic features of Pascal. It will demonstrate basic math addition procedures, loop sorting, and some built-in functions. So what is the value of x? And I'm going to do 4. For the value of y, I'm going to put 6. So 4 plus 6 equals 10. Some built-in functions. The absolute value of negative 15 is 15. The square root of 49 is 7. Sine of 0.85, the tangent, and then the logarithmic, right? What is my age? I'm going to put in 12. Yep, too young to drive. And then here's my array of 25 numbers. You can see they're in different order. And then it's sorted in ascending using a bubble sort. It's fast because there's only 25 numbers. Again, it's not the fastest way of sorting numbers. It's just the easiest. And then pressing a key and back to my Pascal program. Again, just a demonstration of features that you can do in Pascal. Nothing else. Not actually, I didn't even cover pointers, which I have in a different video. But for now, this is all there is. Thank you for watching this little demo in Pascal, and I should see you next time with my next video. Thank you.